Hello students, I am Miss Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Penda Road, Chhattisgarh. Today I am going to teach you class 4th Maths, Chapter 1, Part 3. So we will start with the topic ascending order. First one is your ascending order. So ascending order, how to arrange the given numbers in ascending order. So first of all we should understand what is ascending order, and I think that you know very well in the class 2nd, 3rd also you have read this. Ascending order means arranging the numbers in ascending order means writing the numbers from smaller to greater. From smaller to greater. So writing the numbers from smaller to greater is called arranging the number in ascending order. So first of all I am taking one example here. 5429, 3242, 5379, 74,532. For example, I had taken 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 numbers I have taken 1, 2, 3 and 4. So see here, for arranging the numbers in ascending order, first of all we should know that whether all the given numbers are having the same number of digits or not. So if for example 2-digit number is there and one is 3-digit number, so of course 3-digit number will be greater and 2-digit number will be smaller. So 2-digit number we will write first and then we will write the 3-digit number. Okay. So see, for example here I have taken 4 numbers, and first of all what I told you, yes, we have to just count the digits present in each number. So see here 4 digits are present. Here also 4 digits is there. Here also 4 digits is there. But here 5 digits are there. Okay. So 5 digits are there. So of course 5 digit is greater than rest of the 3 digits. So now first of all we have to arrange this 3 and this will come in the last because this is the greatest number among this. So see here, for arranging this, now we have to see, already we have seen that 4 digits are there in these 3. So now we have to see the greatest place of each number. So see here, greatest ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So all are having the thousands place. So thousands place here is 5, here is 3 and here is 5. Means 5 is of course greater than 3. This 5 is of course greater than 3. Means this is the smallest one. So this number we will take first. Okay, so we will write 3242. Now second digit. So see here 5 and 5 both are equal. So now we will see the hundredths place. Means this is the hundredths place and this is the hundredths place. Ones tens 100, ones tens 100. Okay. So see here this is 4 and this is 3. So of course 4 is greater than 3. So we will take this number first because this is smaller. From smaller to greater we have to arrange. Okay, don't forget. So see here 5379 is 5379. Next, already we have compared these two. So this one is the next. 5429 means 5429, and this is having the 5 digits 74,532. So I think in very easy manner you understood this will come in the third and this will come in the fourth. So I think very easily you understood how to arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Simply ascending order means smaller to greater, and we have to arrange according to the digits present, and if the digits are same in all the numbers we have to see the places. The greatest place we have to compare, then the next, like 1000, then we will compare the 100. If it is also equal we will go to the tens, and if it is also equal we will go to the ones. So in this way we can arrange the number in ascending order. Okay. So now we will move to the next topic, that is your descending order. How to arrange the number in descending order. So see here. Descending order. Descending order. So see, so first of all again we should know what is descending order. Descending order means we have to arrange the given number from greater to smaller. Greater to smaller means first we will see the greater number and then we will see the smaller number. So see, now we are taking the next example. We can take the same example for explaining that. So I am taking the same example. 5,429, 3,242, 5,379 and the last number is 74,532. So see here, for arranging this again we should know how many digits are there in each number. So see here, this is all 4-digit number, 4-digit number, 4-digit number and this is 5-digit number. Okay, so descending order from greater to smaller. So greatest number, of course these are 4-digit number, this is the 5-digit number. First this one will come, directly we can write 74,532. Now next, greater number we have to take first. So among these three, this is 5 we are taking, this is also 5, this is 3. So 5 and 5 is greater than 3, of course. So now first compare these two. Now this first digit means the largest place is same. So we will take the hundreds place. Hundreds place here is 4 and here is 3. So this will come first. So this is second number 5,429. Now after this is 5,300. So this will come 5,379 and at last 3,242. This is 4. So 3,242. So in this way we can arrange the number in descending order. Okay. Ascending order can be also said as increasing order from smaller to greater. These two terms you have to remember. Ascending order means from smaller to greater you have to arrange the numbers. Means you can also say ascending order as increasing order. Increasing means in a progressive manner. So descending order means decreasing order. Decreasing order means greater to smaller, from big one to small one. Okay, descending can also be said as decreasing order. Okay, so in this way we can easily arrange the given numbers in ascending and descending order. So students, one more thing I have to tell you now in this video regarding formation of the numbers. If formation of how to form, I am going to tell you how to form 5-digit number. How to form 5-digit number using the given numbers. Okay. So your question here is how to form the 5-digit number using the given numbers. Okay. Or using 5-digit number using the given, not numbers, using the given digits, because it is not a number, it is the given numbers are the digits. Okay. Using the given digits. So for example 5, 3, 2, 1, 9. For example, these 5, 3, 2, 1, 9 are the 5 digit. Given digit is 5, 3, 2, 1, 9. How to form greater and smaller 5-digit number using the given digit. Of course, we will form the 5-digit number, so it should be greater, it should be smaller. That we have to decide according to the question. So this is the given number 5, 3, 2, 1, 9. 5-digit. The given number of digits are 5, 3, 2, 1, 9. So now how to form the greater number from this? So greater number I am writing here and smaller number I am writing here. Okay. So how to form these two numbers? Okay. So see here 53219. So forming the greater number means we will see the greatest number among the given digits. So greatest here is 9. So greater number we are forming 9. After then among these four which is greatest? 5. 5. Among these 3 is there. Among this 2, 2, and among this only 1 is left. So that is there. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So comma we have to put according to the previous video, as I have told you how to put comma and how to read this number. So the greater 5-digit number formed here is 95,321. Okay, so very easily now you can form the smaller number from this itself. You don't have to see again this number, because it is 5-digit only. From greater to smaller we have to just change it. So 1 is the smallest number, then 2, then 3, then 5, and then 9 is the greatest one. So ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000. So 12,359 is the smaller number formed here. So in this way you can very easily form the greatest or the smallest number from the given numbers. And one more thing I want to tell, if this is 5-digit number and you have to form 6-digit number, so in greatest you will repeat the greatest number, means 9 will be 2 times, means 9,95,321. For smallest you will repeat the first digit 1, so 1,12,359. So please practice this at home and learn it very easily, and this is the easiest trick. Okay, thank you.